Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last two videos I have been showing you how to save your data and how to edit your data in your MySQL database using your Visual Basic Windows Form application. In this video I will show you how to delete your data using your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So first of all I'm going to take a button as I have done in the last two videos to save and update, and I will change the text of this button as delete, and I will also change the font size so it may look good, bold and 16. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the code from the last video, and because all the code is going to be the same, just the query will be different. So I will copy all the code in the sub of this update button, and I will go to this delete button and double click it and just paste my code here. So if you're watching these videos, you know what these lines are doing, because I have been explaining you several number of times what these lines are doing. So first line is for the connection with the server, and we write the server name and root and password and all. And in the try catch block we are going to catch any exception if any exception occurs, and once the query is performed we are going to dispose our query finally, right? So just copy this skeleton, and now the important part is the query to delete the data in the database. So I'm going to just delete this line of the query, and I'm going to write the query to delete the data from the database. So just write here delete from your database name, which is database.edata, which is my table name, and then write where, and then once again single quote, in between double quote, in between this and sign, and in between I'm going to write the name of my text box for EID, or first of all I need to write EID is equal to single quote, double quote, and this and sign, and I will write the name of my text box for EID. So I will write text box EID dot text. Okay, so this is the query to delete the data. So I will explain you what this query is doing. This query is deleting the data on the basis of my employee ID. So whatever I enter employee ID in this text box, it will delete the data related to that employee ID, and it's the concept behind deleting the data. So you need to give the reference where you want to perform the action. You can do it on the basis of the name, you can do it on the basis of the surname. The only thing is it should match the content in the database, so that on the basis of that it can delete the database. So for this example I'm going to take employee ID from the database, which is this one, and on the basis of this I will delete the data. So just I delete from the data from your database dot the table name you have in the database, where EID, which is the column name, one of the column name, is equal to single quote, double quote, and the text box name dot text. So whatever text you enter in here will delete the data corresponding to that. Okay, and I will change a message here, deleted, data deleted. Okay, it should be capital D. Okay, so that's all you need to write in order to delete the data from the database. If you want, you can just copy this code, and I'm going to run the program and check whether it works or not. I'm going to open my database also so that I can show you that the data is really deleted or not. So my program is running. Okay, and so for example, I want to delete the employee ID 17, which is this one. So let's log into the system first of all, and for example, I want to delete employee ID 17, so I will write here 17 and I will click this delete button, and it gives me data deleted. And when I refresh my database, my employee ID 17 is deleted. You can see here. Once again, for example, I want to delete employee ID 16, so I will write 16 here, and I will just click delete, and my data is deleted. And when I press refresh, and employee ID 16 is not here anymore. So in this way you can delete your data in the database using a Visual Basic Windows Form application. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.